Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 20th of March with me, Rich Bear Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we've got this sort of move on dollar yen that's to the downside. And it's sort of continuing really. But we're now into this band of support. I've got this dotted blue line here at 112.50. Had been the support through January. Became supportive again in February. And again, will it be supportive again in March? 12.44 currently the low, just before a little unwinding move. But you've got this pressure that is moving to the downside. You've got these momentum indicators which have sort of negatively configured. MACD lines crossing lower, stochastics falling. RSI at 40, that's interesting. Around about where it has previously started to sort of find support, but I still think you've got this downside pressure within the range, although ultimately I think this range will continue. I don't see it being a downside break of a range. I think this range will be intact and continuing, but for now we're still looking to the downside within this move. But will it start to fall? Well, you've got the overhead resistance of the supply at 13.55, that old support which broke down and became new resistance, so that is your key level near term, certainly to look out for. Initially you've got Thursday's lows around sort of 12.90 area, which are resistance, 12.90, 12.95. That is your initial resistance, but generally speaking 113.55 is your key gauge near term now. 114 figure is an old pivot within the medium term range, which I'm not actually showing here, but that blue line there is 113.55. But generally speaking, I still think we're still looking corrective within this range, and I think little rallies are still going to be sold into. But with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again later. Thank you.